How's it going, guys? It's Tyler Hargrave from Jay's Alarms Car Audio. You see us all over eBay selling the remote start kits. We're going to show you today how easy it is to add a extended range up to 2,500 feet, which is a single one button remote start kit. So this is like a standard kit we do on Jeeps. So it's a CH5. So we're going to show you, if you already have one of these, how easy it is to install one of these. This is the kit that we sell you, which is called the CA1. And this is going to make it so that you actually push this button up to 2,500 feet. So you get more range than what you do with this one. This only, we call it, driveway range. This is probably only going to be, I would say, I don't know, 50 to 100, 150 feet. So this one gives you up to 2,500, okay? Real simple to do. We got your antenna cable. We're going to go ahead and get this out of here. This will then plug into your antenna. Make sure you plug it in correctly, okay, guys? See here. Plugs right in, you'll feel the snap. That then plugs into this box here, red plug. Then you grab this cable here. You're not hooking up the power and ground since our box already provides that. So no power and ground. Forget about the power and ground. You'll be plugging this white plug into the box, only plugs in one way. And then this black plug is plugging into our box, only plugs in one way. Again, do not worry about the power and ground. You can cut that off, hide it. And of course, what we always recommend is the antenna to be mounted up on the windshield. Right about here, just run it down your A-pillar. Back of your dash gives you enough cable to do that, okay? Now we're gonna program the remote controls. So let's set the remote controls right here. We're gonna turn the key to the on position. So let me go ahead and do that. Key on, you're gonna press and hold the button down for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you will get a little blue flash. Once you get that blue flash, you push the remote start button on each remote control. One time. Turn your ignition back off. And now your remote controls are programmed. How you're gonna start it is by pushing the remote control twice. It is all about timing, so let me show you that. 1, 2. It received the command, the vehicle is gonna start. Starts right up. Turn it off, you're gonna press and hold it down, okay guys? So press and hold. Turns it right back off. It's about a 3-second to press and hold. Again, guys, this is 2,500 feet of range, way more than your original remote control, and these are pretty inexpensive. Find us on eBay, guys. Jay's Alarms Car Audio. This is going to be part number CA1. Again, 1, 2. We'll start right up. 2,500 feet of range, guys. Can't beat that. Again, find us, Jay's Alarms Car Audio. If you need any help, tech support, call us 559-264-9111. Again, thank you again.